¿Qué tal amigos? Sean bienvenidos a un nuevo video donde armaremos la máquina Bulldozer. Este es un set 5 en 1, así que si les gustaría ver el armado de las demás máquinas, no duden en hacérmelo saber en los comentarios. Una vez abrimos la caja, lo primero que encontraremos es el motor que le dará movimiento a nuestra máquina, además de su respectivo control para poder manejarlo. También contaremos con el manual de instrucciones de las 5 máquinas y unas estampas para darle más vida a nuestros sets. Al final del todo podremos encontrar todas las piezas necesarias para el armado de este bulldozer. Pero vamos a comenzar con el armado, ya que más adelante tuve algunos detalles.
Well, I know how you want it to seem, but we'll watch as it all plays out. From the crest of the wave that we broke upon and pulled you back into the sea, all the way down. Why'd it take all our life to explain that it's more beautiful when you're here? I remember the light when it turned around and revealed all the truth, no escape. Point blank. Say it like it is this time for me to hear. Suddenly you felt all alone again, even in crowded rooms with all your friends. Where goes the time? All in front of you. Where goes the time? Still in front of you. Say it like it is this time for me to hear. Suddenly you felt all alone again, even in crowded rooms all around friends. Say it, it's unbreakable through it all and more. Don't fret now, I'm not leaving you alone. Won't leave you now or through later days.
Keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah, no, we ain't slowing it down.
Let's go. We ain't slowing come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and I'm ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating, I'm on everything I love. Work to the man above, keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point you get the...
Y justo aquí, al momento de querer ensamblar un subensamble a la parte principal, me di cuenta que había realizado mal una parte del ensamble, por lo cual fue necesario desarmar y volver a armarlo. Afortunadamente, aún no llevaba tanto avance. Después de solucionar este detalle, comenzamos con el armado de espejo, por lo cual aquí te muestro con transiciones.
Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we an Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working.
Keep on moving,
Moving,
we keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep
on
it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
Keep
never
on moving,
moving,
we keep on moving along.
moving, keep it moving,
We
keep
on
it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't
Keep it rolling, keep it
slowing
moving,
it
we ain't
down.
never gon' lose it. Cause we in it for the movement, if I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into the amusement.
Una vez finalizado esto, podremos hacer las cadenas que son tan comunes en los bulldozer. Después de esto, ya luce un poco mejor nuestra bulldozer, pero a partir de aquí será donde verdaderamente comenzará a tomar forma, pues comenzaremos a realizar ciertas partes importantes en nuestra máquina que le darán muchísima más presencia a la misma.
They will come, they will come. Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be. Everything, everything. When you put it out there and it's pure, it's pure. Can't ask for anything more, anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly. They will come, they will come. Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be. Everything, everything. Can't really be enticed, although it's very nice. In my space I feel most comfortable. Choose what you like, choose your people, choose your time, choose to be vibrant, choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend. sudden there will be everything. I never thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry. You know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old now welcome sign, population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days. With the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. This concrete tree line's got my head up in the clouds. A good thing that I got my roots back in steady ground. With the same old small church parking lot, I cried when Bobby tied the knot. By God, we never thought he'd give her his last name. Oh, the ring that I won on the night that we once stayed 14 tonight. Those Friday football lights sure did feel like fame. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. If I reached freeways led to freedom, thought I'd leave and find my way. When this big bad tide breaks me down, I go back to the place where the same old now welcome sign with population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days. The same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky that makes me wanna stay. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same.
Y finalmente, después de tanto tiempo y esfuerzo, terminamos nuestra bulldozer, que siendo honesto, luce bastante bien, y en cuanto a calidad-precio, siento que sí vale la pena, aunque sí suele ser un poco tediosa de armar, y más si eres principiante. Como datos extra, es importante mencionar que el motor se carga por medio de un cable USB tipo C, mismo que ya incluye el set, y el control necesita dos pilas AAA para funcionar, pero estas no se incluyen. Si te gustó este contenido, déjame tu like y suscríbete para no perderte más contenido como este. Además, si te gustaría ver las otras 4 máquinas restantes del set, házmelo saber aquí abajo en los comentarios. Nos vemos en un próximo video.